Here's a clear and helpful overview of the benefits of growing orchids as indoor plants. Benefits of orchids as indoor plants. 1. Air purification. Orchids help purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen at night, making them perfect for bedrooms and living spaces. 2. Low maintenance. Despite their elegant appearance, many orchid varieties, like Phalaenopsis, are easy to care for with minimal watering and indirect light. 3. Aesthetic beauty. They're exotic. Long-lasting flowers bring elegance, color, and sophistication to any room, great for home decor. 4. Mood booster. Studies show that houseplants, especially flowering ones like orchids, reduce stress and enhance your mood. 5. Compact size. Orchids fit well in small spaces such as desks, windowsills, or bathrooms without taking up much room. 6. Symbolism. In Feng Shui and many cultures, orchids symbolize love, beauty, fertility, and prosperity. 7. Long blooming period. Some orchids can bloom for weeks or even months with proper care, offering lasting beauty.